Take him. Oh yeah. Nice. Well, welcome back everybody. We're back on another hunt. We are in a cornfield. It's an evening hunt. We're trying to even hunt. We haven't this year. This is our first one. But there's already ducks in the air, bombing in the cornfield. They short stopped us like 500 meters, but yeah, right across the field. But whatever. We're all set up. We got the silhouettes in kind of a W. We got a couple up in the front. Got the Mojo. And we got some full bodies on the far edges, and yeah, kind of rocking the W. Yep. Got Josh man with me.
Me on a windy day.
Me on a windy day. But yeah, we're gonna get after them. So hopefully we can get a couple in the spread, get a few ducks down, and have some fun.
Yeah, buddy.
Ready to shoot them?
Sure.
Take them. Oh yeah. Oh, I shot that one. It was a hen, but I'm like, you know what? We'll take that.
Take that.
That was good.
Good action.
We got 2 sailors.
Yeah.
I crushed 2. I know I dropped 1, and then I dropped this one. Nice job, Joshua. Woo! I got zilch.
You got zilch?
Zilch.
They were hard shots for you.
Yeah.
They were.
Zilch. It's okay though. It's alright.
Jeez. Oh man. Absolutely chunky monkeys. Freaking huge. They just crushed though. I didn't think that last one was actually gonna go down, but yeah, they didn't exactly dedicate properly. Kind of, I don't know why they're going off the corner, but hey, we got them, so that's what counts. We got more coming in, so probably gonna have to hurry here. But here's another beauty. Absolute chonkers. Geese. This is awesome. Another stream's coming in.
Ready? Should I take him? Oh, that hit me hard.
You good?
You smoked the breast out. It hit me on the head. Holy cow. How many you get? The one? Look at the carnage on that thing.
That's great.
Take your bird, boy. Holy cow. No, I got that one.
I think you did.
I shot him up here and he just kept going. I'm like, I missed. No, I smoked him. That was so cool.
He smoked you after you died.
That was insane. Crunch. 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 Let's go. My first honker. My first honker. Let's go. First honker of the evening. Woo!
Nice shot.
This has been fun. Look at that ring, Joshua.
I ain't never seen anything like
Big old honker.
You got more on the front. I don't know. Give me a twist.
Take him, Joshua. Oh yeah.
Nice.
Take
him.
Oh yeah.
Nice.
Big old Tonys. Any bands? No bands. Whoo, some big old birds. Holy. We gotta get in. Oh. Man, they're heavy. Why they gotta be so heavy? Ducks. You want to take him? Take him. Oh yeah. I took two shots, 2 down.
Nice.
Best shouldn't have done all day, I think. That were crazy shots.
They were hard.
How many you get?
I think we tagged him that one.
Oh really?
Yeah, for sure missed my other.
Let's go. 2 hens down. Smoke the 2 right out of the air. They are some hard shots this evening. We are really trying to lead them hard. It's been tough for shots, eh, Joshua?
Oh, yeah.
Like, we might be missing, but these birds are peeling up quick. You want to clean up?
I guess ducks are kind of not doing anything anymore.
That was fun.
Oh, I enjoyed it.
Wicked hard shots.
Yep, they were not easy shots. Well, if you made it this far in the video, thanks for watching. We had an absolute blast. They were coming in a little bit rough. They were kind of side swiping, pretty high speeds. With the wind, they could pick up a little bit fast. So
yeah, there were hard shots in there.
Yeah,
we missed a couple times. We will acknowledge that.
Yeah,
we
completely.
weren't shooting top notch today, but these ducks, every time we said take them, they just flared, and they made like 10 yards gap in 1 second.
Yeah,
it was just crazy. You had to like lead, and then we're like find ourselves leading but not enough.
Yeah,
and our shot was going right past their butt, and it was tough, but I can't believe the amount of ducks we did actually get. So
yeah,
it's nice. But yeah, this is what we got here. We got 8 ducks. It's getting dark, I know, might be hard to see, but yeah, that's what we got this evening, and it's been a good hunt. We hope to be back, shoot a couple more hunts, and
yep,
yeah, get some more footage for y'all. So yeah,
if you like this, please like. That really helps our videos, and subscribe. That helps a lot as well. So catch you on the next one.
See ya.